Hey guys, it's Mr. Hirsch. Hope everyone's doing well. I just wanted to show you how to log on to your Canvas and get started on the assignments we have posted for you there. This is Miss Duncan's Google Classroom. So right here, she asks if you can log on or not. If you follow this link right here, it should take you right to your Canvas. It might take you to that screen where it's asked you to log in with your ID number and everything else. If you go over here next to you got your dashboard here, you go to courses. You'll see English period 2 and Duncan is right there. Go ahead and submit on that one. On this page, they want you to do this first, this connect to Google Drive. You can go ahead and do that assignment first. It helps you connect all your assignments that you've already done, and then that way it'll be easier for us to access any of the work that you've done. And then we have a module. So taking a look here, here's our first module, weekly module view. So we'll go ahead and click on that, April 27th to May 1st. Once again, there's the, connect your Google Drive, and then this 1.2 is the first thing that you're going to have to actually do. So you clicked on that connect, welcome back. Once you get to this page, it's got some, very brief questions. How are you feeling today? Take a moment to share a sentence or more. If you hit submit assignment, it will open up a text box for you. And zooming down here, you'll have a spot to write. So you can sit there and you can say, how are you feeling today? I am excited to be going to my class in my college. And so you just, respond to all the questions, and then you can hit the submit assignment right here, and it'll let you, move on to the next one. Obviously, the next right here will take you to your next assignment, and do the best you can. Email us or message us through Google Classroom with any questions you might have, and good luck learning.